Today we're looking forward to the imminent Singapore Airshow, and in this special spotlight program, we're going to meet a helicopter manufacturer that's leading the way in the event with both machines and the new reality of learning to fly them. Well, we're joined from the Bell's helicopter hangar in Singapore by David Sale, the Managing Director for Bell in the Asia Pacific region. David, welcome. We're going to come on to the legendary helicopters that you'll be featuring, but first, you're going to be launching something new at the show in the training area. Tell us about that.
Yeah, if you look over my left shoulder, you're going to see the Veris VR Sim. It's an FAA Level 7 flight training device for the 505 helicopter. It's the very first VR certified to a Level 7. So what you can see is that we don't have these big displays and screens in front of us. The pilot actually has a VR goggle set on that gives him the most reality that you can have while flying in an actual aircraft. So not only are we taking these advancements in the VR sim, but we're actually using components that are directly out of the aircraft, and along with the software that comes from Bell. So it's synced up very well with our aircraft. So when you fly the VR sim, it's like you're just in the actual aircraft, and the ability of training in it is beyond second to none.
So with the 505, can you just talk about the kind of customers you're targeting and the roles that the 505's used for?
Yeah, so our main focus for training is the military. We're really focused on teaching brand new pilots how to fly a turbine aircraft. And the 505 is excellent for that. One is it's got this great windscreens that allow you to see out. When you learn to fly, looking at the visual flight rules is significantly important because we really want to teach pilots how to fly the aircraft, not how to manage the systems at this point. The flight controls in the aircraft are just like an advanced aircraft. So it teaches the pilot how to use those cyclic sticks and collectives in a way that they would find in the next platform. And then it's just the safety. The aircraft has this great envelope in it. And so when an instructor is teaching the pilot how to fly, he can really take control of the aircraft in a way that allows the student pilot to get outside of their comfort zone, but stay within the instructor pilot's comfort zone.
Now, I believe you've got a couple more aircraft to show at the Singapore event this week.
Yeah, so we've been real excited about the Bell 429 in the region. Even as early last year, we've got aircraft going into the law enforcement. We've got aircraft going into search and rescue and EMS, and even signing recent deals for the commercial side of the house or corporate. And what we're seeing with the 429 is just its versatility across all the missions that we have. So it's been just this great opportunity to showcase that aircraft. And we're also going to have the MV-75 on display, which is Bell's answer to newer technology for the tilt rotor side of the house. So it's an aircraft that goes twice as far and twice as fast as a conventional helicopter.
Now finally, David, I want to finish where we started. Around the globe, we're seeing a great emphasis on military training. How are those needs evolving, particularly in the APAC area?
So I think what we're finding is customers realize that they need a basic training aircraft that allows the pilots to truly learn how to fly. And so they're now getting rid of some of their older fleets that they had. They need to have a glass cockpit because that's what they're going to fly in the future. They need to have FADEC because their aircraft and the advanced aircraft are going to have that as well. So it's a great combination of advanced technologies, but allowing the pilot to really hold on to the sticks, not have autopilot, and not have something trying to teach it or fly for it, but allowing the pilot and the student to actually fly the aircraft.
Well, thank you, David. I guess you're going to be very busy this week with people coming around to have a look for themselves. So good luck for the show. Well, that was David Sale, the MD of Bell in Asia Pacific. For more stories and videos coming from the Singapore Airshow during this week, visit aviationweek.com.